Welcome back. Good day, all. Today we are going to do life lesson 37, the king's question and the kid's response. This is a story about a kingdom and a king. The king had a very wise priest. The priest used to come and have a lot of dialogues with the king on strategic matter. And on this particular day, they were having the same. After the discussion, the priest was about to go. The king asked the priest, Panditji, I have a question for you. He said, yes. You know, your son is a fool. Why is it so? The priest was surprised. The priest said, why? Why do you say that? He said, I asked your son a question. Is gold more valuable or silver more valuable? He responded by saying, silver is more valuable. The priest was puzzled. He didn't have an answer. He just walked away from the court. He reached home. The moment he reached home, he met the son. The son walked up with a glass of water. Before he would pick up the glass of water and drink, the priest asked the son, son, I have a question for you. What is more valuable? Is gold more valuable or silver more valuable? The son replied, obviously gold. Then the priest said, why did you not say the same thing when the king asked you that same question? The son started laughing. He said, oh, I get the point. Now let's discuss. He said, why? What is it that you want to discuss? The son says, every day on the road where I go toward the school, the king comes out with his set of courtiers. They are wise men, intelligent men. They sit on the side. They have a lot of conversation, lot of dialogues. And while I pass by, the king one day stopped me and he called me and he said, what is more valuable, gold or silver? And whatever you believe is valuable, you can keep it to yourself. I said silver, and the moment I said silver, he started laughing and he gave the silver coin to me and I walked away. And this happened continuously every day and continues to happen till date. So he said, why do you laugh at it? Why do you make that sense? Why do you said that silver is more valuable than gold? He said, Dad, please come inside. He goes into a room and the son shows that there is a box, and in the box there is bunch of gold coins, a bunch of silver coins. The son says, this is what it is. The priest says, where have you got it from? He said, every day I win this and get it here. He said, but why do you do that? He said, if the day I tell the king that gold is more valuable, the game is over. The priest was surprised with the son's wisdom. He could relate to what the son was doing every day. The priest said, now this needs to be told to the king. So the next day he catches hold of his son, he takes him along to the court, he explains the story to the king, and the king listens to it and realizes that the son is very different. He looks at the son and he says, you're a scholar, you're a wise boy, you need to be gifted. So the king gifts another box of gold to the son, saying, this is your reward. What's the moral of the story? The moral of the story is very simple. You don't have to show your skill and your talent every time. When the time will come, the world will recognize it and you will get your reward. With that, we come to the end of life lesson 37. King's question and the kid's reply. Please switch on your notification buttons so that whenever I come back, you will be able to see my videos. Keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing. Until then, have a good day ahead. Bye-bye.